Hello everyone, welcome again in LinuxTopic. So in our previous video, we configured a WSL2, installed a Docker desktop and Minikube. In this video, we'll learn how to use Docker desktop and Minikube. So let's get started. Just double click on Docker desktop, accept the license agreement. If you have already account in Docker, you can sign in, otherwise you can sign up. If you don't need to sign in or sign up, we can continue without signing. So I'm just clicking on without sign in. Now we have to select the role. So I'm just using just for the testing purpose. So I'm click on it and then continue. Here we can see the Docker engine is running. We'll minimize it and we can also check via command line. Open command prompt, run as an administrator, and in the command prompt type a Docker and hit the enter. So it will print some information, means Docker is exist on their system. Now we'll check Minikube command. Minikube also exists in local system. In the next step, we'll start the Kubernetes cluster. The command would be minikube start. So it will start the local Kubernetes cluster. Start. So this minikube start will print some basic information. So this is my Microsoft Windows 10. Minikube container is missing, so it will recreate and creating a Docker container with CPU 2, memory 4 GB. Here we can see minikube start created a Kubernetes environment for us. Now we can use the kubectl command. Kubectl cluster info. It will print the cluster information. Cluster running on localhost with port. We can also check the node. So command would be kubectl get nodes. It will print the node information. So we have a minikube node. We can check the namespace detail. So the command would be kubectl get namespace. So we have all these active. Also we can print the port. Command would be kubectl get ports-a. It will print all the port details. To check the running service, we'll execute kubectl get services. So it will print all these active services. So here we have like server HTTP port and DNS. We can also check this cluster detail in our Docker desktop. So just open the Docker desktop and here we have like minikube. So just click on it and it will print all the necessary informations. So this status is running and this is a log. So hope you enjoy these basic setups for Kubernetes. Thanks for the watching.